Is your iPhone not working properly? Here are a few fixes that solve 90% of issues. First, disable screen time restrictions. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on the Screen Time option. Here, look for the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this option is turned on, some apps or settings may become restricted, so toggle Content and Privacy Restrictions off. If asked, enter your screen time passcode. This usually fixes blocked settings or hidden features. Second, update iPhone software. Open the Settings app once again. Scroll down just a bit and tap on General. Here, select Software Update. Check if a new iOS update is available. If it is up to date, then you are fine. Latest iOS updates solves many system-related problems automatically. Third, update all apps. For this, open the App Store on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Here, tap on App Updates. You'll see the available updates for all the apps. At the top, tap on Update All. This will update all the apps and removes any app-related bugs. And finally, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons in quick succession, and then immediately press and hold the side button. Ignore the slide to power off screen and keep holding until the screen turns black. Continue holding the button and release it when the Apple logo appears. This forced restarting of your iPhone clears temporary glitches and refreshes the iPhone system.